In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to reset your Razer X Hyperspeed mouse. So to be able to reset it, you're going to firstly turn it back to this, as you can see right here, and then you're going to slide this little thing right here to off, and it's going to be in the middle. So make sure that you actually slide this thing right here to off in the middle here. So if you don't see any lights here flashing, that means that it's currently off. So now what we need to do is to actually hold left mouse button here, right, but also this one simultaneously, so hold all of these three together. So I'm going to try to do this. It's not the easiest, but I think I can do like this and basically like that. Yep. Then you need to turn the mouse around, still keep holding it, and then you're going to switch this one to on. And you're going to hold, I'm actually going to do this again, by the way, because I think I didn't hold it together, all of those at once. So let's try once again, slide this one to on. And as you can see now, when it actually blinks like this, that means that it's going into the reset mode. So now what you need to do is to take this little thing right here, you're going to insert it into your PC. Then when you have done so, you can now turn the mouse like off again, insert this little thing right here into your PC, and then turn it back on. And that is basically exactly how to reset it.